Hi, and welcome to this episode of Worldwide Canadian. About 3 weeks ago, I said I was considering trading in my Kia Sorento for an EV. Well, what did I actually do? I'm here to tell you all about it. Stick around. So I'm here to tell you that I had 3 weeks ago decided that I was going to start looking for a replacement vehicle for my 2022 Kia Sorento. The gas vehicle that I was originally driving for about a year and a half, I was traveling about 3,500 kilometers a month, and based on that fuel usage in the car, it was costing me about $500 to $600 a month in gasoline. So I looked at buying the Chevy Bolt, and I was extremely happy with the Bolt, and I started driving that in July, putting on the same 3,500 to 4,000 kilometers a month, and my costs dropped by about $500 a month. And then I added about, I don't know, $50 or $60 of home electricity, and so I was ahead a lot, and I considered that the Sorento was not going to go up in value, and we were only putting about 300 kilometers a month on that, and I really wanted to convert to completely electric, so I started looking for a car. Now, the requirements that I had were that the car would go at least 300 kilometers on a charge, and that it would charge faster than the Bolt, because the one negative I had with the Bolt, like everybody else, was the fact that when I went on a road trip of more than the range of the vehicle return, I'd have to stop and charge, and that charge in the winter, especially like it is right now, was extremely slow. Sometimes I would be sitting at about 20 kilowatt hours and charging for at least 60 minutes, so I'd have enough to comfortably make it back to my home. So I looked at a bunch, and I did a lot of research, and I decided I wanted an electric car. And the Ioniq 5 had been something that I was extremely interested in. Well, one came up for sale used at a local dealer here. It has only 25,000 kilometers. Now, it is the 2022 Hyundai Ioniq 5. It is a standard battery, which is the 58 kilowatt hour battery. And it's the preferred line, so of course it has the heat pump and the battery warming added on there. So for me, that's going to fit my requirements, and I got an excellent deal from a local dealer, and it's O'Regan's in Bridgewater, Nova Scotia, and they treated me very kindly and gave me enough on the trade-in on the Kia Sorento to make it worthwhile. But I'm extremely happy with my decision to purchase the Hyundai, and I'm going to look forward to driving that and enjoying it with my wife and I both in electric vehicles. Now, I'm not planning on getting rid of the Bolt. The Bolt serves my purposes 80% of the time because I charge at home, and when I keep the trips under the 300 kilometer range, I only charge every other or every 3 days. So for commuting back and forth for my wife to work or for myself to run around town and get groceries, that car is going to be perfect, and it's going to continue to fit my needs. So hopefully you'll like and subscribe to my page, and if you can click that bell icon, you'll get notified when I upload new videos. For now, thanks for watching, and I'll share some video and some thoughts on the new vehicle once I've had it a day or so. And please come back next time and have a look at the video. I appreciate you commenting down below if you like, keeping it friendly, of course. And I'll see you next time right here on Worldwide Canadian. So long.